Hello guys, this is Abhinav from Silicon Craft today, and this is an introductory program to Python. In this program I'm going to teach you the basics of Python to the advanced. So first of all, I have given the link to download the Python in the description, and now I'm going to teach you about data types today. Like what are the different types of data types. So first of all, we gotta open our Python. Remember, always open this IDLE Python first, and we'll open. Okay, if you are just doing it for learning purposes, do it here, but I will recommend you open a new file. And first of all, save that one because we're gonna need to save it. Let's minus ABC anything. And okay, so now first of all, I didn't tell you what are variables. Variables are the same as they are in your maths. For example, let's say I have given some value of x, let's say 11. So whenever I need to write 11, I don't need to write 11 and 11 again and again. I can just write x, and I can perform any kind of operation with that. And operation of variable, I will cover that in later parts of the series, but now let's just move with it. Okay, so this here, the number, whenever there's a number, is called an integer. Remember, it's an integer. And if you write something in quotation mark for, let's say, so you can't grab, now this is a string. Okay, you cannot perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and something like that with strings. And there are booleans. Booleans are true and false values, and I will tell you in later context that what are true and false and how to represent them. So these were the basics, integer and strings. Later I will cover in the further videos. In the next video we're gonna learn about how to use the print command and where is the print command used. So for till then, take care of yourself, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.